Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to enable videos autoplaying on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app when using it on your PC. With the latest update, the option is tucked away in the settings, so let's jump right in and get it set up. First, open your Twitter app on your PC and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once it's open, look to the left-hand menu and find the More icon. It's the one with 3 dots in a circle. Click it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a page full of different categories for managing your account preferences. We're interested in the section that says Accessibility, Display, and Languages, so go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see a few more settings you can adjust. Look for the option labeled Data Usage. This is where Twitter controls anything related to videos and media loading. Click on Data Usage to open it up. Inside the data usage settings, find Autoplay. This setting determines whether videos will start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. Click on Autoplay, and you'll notice a few options appear. Select On Cellular and Wi-Fi if you want videos to automatically play no matter how your device is connected to the internet. This ensures a smooth, seamless feed, without having to click on every video to start it. After choosing this option, your changes will be applied instantly. There's no need to save or restart anything. You can head right back to your timeline and see it in action. As you scroll, videos will now start playing automatically, giving you a more dynamic and engaging feed. And that's it. Just a few clicks inside your settings, and you've enabled video autoplay on X for your PC. Whether you use Twitter for news, memes, or catching up with friends, this feature helps your content feel more alive and lets you experience the platform as it's meant to be.